Most service business owners think being on Google is enough, but that is exactly why 90% of them fail to get consistent customers. Here's the truth no one tells you. Google does not reward presence. It rewards clarity, trust, and speed. In this video, you will learn why most service businesses fail on Google and how to fix it step by step so you can actually turn searches into real customers. You will see the exact mistakes killing your visibility and conversions. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one change that can instantly increase your leads without spending more on ads. Let's start with the core problem. Most businesses create a Google business profile, add a few photos, and stop there. They think the job is done. But that is where the failure begins. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google is not just showing listings. It is ranking businesses based on relevance, trust, and engagement. That means your competitors can outrank you even if they are smaller, just because they are more optimized. First major mistake is incomplete profiles. If your business information is missing services, categories, or clear descriptions, Google cannot understand what you do. For example, Jake runs a plumbing business in Chicago, but if his profile only says plumber, he loses searches like emergency pipe repair or bathroom leak fix. But here's the problem. Most owners assume customers will figure it out. They will not. Google will not either. Second mistake is weak or inconsistent reviews. Reviews are not just social proof. They are ranking signals. A business with more consistent 5-star reviews will almost always outrank a business with fewer, even if the service is better. Now here's where most people fail again. They only ask for reviews occasionally. Or they ask in a way that customers forget. That kills momentum. In a minute, I'll show you how small businesses turn every job into a steady flow of Google reviews without sounding pushy. Third mistake is slow response time. Google tracks engagement. If customers message you, and you reply late, your ranking and conversion rate drop. John, a handyman in Miami, doubled his calls just by replying within minutes instead of hours. Fourth mistake is no local content. Most service businesses never post updates or service pages targeting specific problems. But Google loves businesses that answer real questions like, AC repair cost in Dallas, or emergency electrician near me. Now here's where it gets even more important. Many businesses ignore their website completely. But your website and Google profile work together. If your website is unclear, your rankings suffer even if your profile looks good. Now imagine this. A customer searches, best plumber near me. They see your listing, strong reviews, clear services, fast responses, and helpful information. You instantly become the trusted choice. So here's the takeaway. Service businesses do not fail on Google because of competition. They fail because of poor structure, weak trust signals, and slow response systems. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you grow your service business and dominate local search in 2026.